Alright, so welcome back from that short commercial break. And I was say Muguswa Mocha, we a showbiz aina, and when the Guswa Ocean within Eddie Kofu which were from Swansea. But we have to a juicy gossip. This is the segment where we take time to give you all the trends in the entertainment industry here in Ghana. Now, I'm not telling you what I say. Nah, this part, a lot of people love it so much because they do the power. I'm ranting and they can say from Kokra. And today we have some videos to play to you as well. Say the no. Now in some BSC I got some good to cry and some no did the answer on the veteran. Mr. Wa Facebook messages na MI no you go so chem some the ba na fe WhatsApp messages no so also the account on the amount 0547 830031 0547 830031 Facebook no the Kumasi Online TV Kumasi Online TV oh Facebook no watch like and share send them for the comments about no sabe me na so dey betom a na kan come I mean, some of the messages on WhatsApp. Now, me ready be from away Africate Amadruwa inside Spain. She says, hey, and so is you. All right, so okay. The message is not clear, but all right. Let me move on to the other way. Every Shara says, lovely show by all standard. I love the lady who you interviewed. She's so smart. Okay, all right. Thank you very much, Shara, for that message. Just want to say that, hello, Kofi Poku, you are looking stunning. Thank you very much. You kept on saying that your African wear is so beautiful. Okay, all right. So thank you very much for that message. This one is also from Cupid inside Accra. He says, good show, good presentation. I love your show. I always watch it on Friday. Okay, thank you very much, Cupid, for loving the show every Friday. Okay, so this one is also from DJ Oxygen. Oxygen is saying that, my brother, it's been a long time. Wow, you are looking so beautiful on set. Okay. All right, so some messages coming through, but I will call videos now. What say no? Now if I'm other batch of the message, the Babania can Eddie Amau. Shannon to self ranting atmosphere. If I call Munchai after the video now, almost the margin Eddie. But today we are discussing something very important. But quickly, let's look at our first video. With my brand here friend Fragnaro. Fragnaro, Uchesini, but say the MC in Afunon. And to the Henyon to me do I be late. On a boss, I don't know, but now we chasing. Now a brand here call interview and Omubisa in some first in one. Now some more Kayano, I bet you and some not some say. Movie now, or no, no question be another man is fame, my neck of who needs a friend Fragnaro, or say. Actually some and Kofo can Kofo actually some yasam get to oh be back was some Victoria at part for what to cry in Bishop. Now never need juju or no Kurana Fragnado quiet tone was set to summer and and a silly Juma plan. Why you not just say Obero movie or the year producing near for they running to ya or to you know. Ghana movie one says Obiani the workout because Obiani the ordinary no. The interview Obiani the worker. Brantia Fragnaro so also ordinary the about ships. But let's move away from that and enter into the camp of Kwakese. Kwakese that's what I'm now Abrante from last year. He has always been on the neck of the government. I mean MPP government, led by His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Only one papa yechi papa. Especially time corona ba yena Ghana for yepe kwanya be fa so year free ho. Okay, so mampani Nana Dankwa the measures we go akwam ni ade. They could do maybe ma oka say mo a mu fra mo na ne ba no time obi etu ma obi abetuma ma bi no so mo ba and a more sika bi obetua ewo Kotroka madam for be the kind Kotroka international airport Kotoka hono aha udru an what you I think $15 or so utia to wi an ya test no and obefri wa obotom ya test ni wi ansa na watimi awura Ghana no aba obusu afo nchen na ono omo aba beje obani say we negative ya fine so na no na kwa kese from last year wa bo aba na chi say hey enye ne kwanso no say aba betimi ama citizens a omo ewo ba bia omo ye Ghana fo na nkasa a obetu ko omo ba no betu esika abaye test na okay say enche bia omampani is his last address or the same bebre na betu ya ana kwa kese say aba social media bio ene wa tu bia mane na nado papa o say na nado his excellency the president of Ghana ade abetu ya say omo amufira brochire baaye no ana amufira na nse amufira brochire e baaye no omo na di corona na sa ba bio na kwa kese say hey na abaye urafi anya na nso obi touch down on tie sika na enye ne test na ne test na o ye no e wo hefa ba janyo na mekai kwa kese na eka se musu obi oba bia ye ne test e ne test no mo de kwa hefa anase nipa no onya negative no musa pia no mani wura o manim ana onya positive no mu pia no mani wura o manim ana na asema okani. Alright, so I've been told that kwa kese aba walande o hadada. Very good owaha enti maybe on Ghana no one can say you na sikana so mampedika de $150 I get $15 we say ati eno obi say sikana omutua na ye test na ti e be yire say e betumi aka say omo fira monone no na de corona ne saba bia because already oba ya test no enti say nipa no so negative wa ene ye ma no kwan ma no ko positive so obviously bia ye be quarantine kakra o baby na afemre no so na ne ho eto no ye jana ma ne ko ti obi say eye dan na omo fira brochire no e ba ye na de corona no the second phase of corona no e saba bia we e asem sebe odo na e ka na asem enti se na esite bia no gidi say oso ye Ghana ni se ni waje chiro no saba pepe e na tie ye move away from the camp of Kwakese na ye nko abrantie family ye is family chele abrantie na say entem ho na one the former manager ayo gidi bra ho sense be be to bani wo so bizarre na so na we di enyo ne manager asem na me ba be ka cho family yes me nka nche mo amoye ne namfodom ne say especially omo a otini botom sika de ma mo ne say so wo show social media handles no want to be a promote on family na di promote the likes of Jay-Z no mo maka na okura no omo nche da mel na my friend o ka cho na dan funa yes ani man a wo say ni sika o tinti away na some of them are namfodom choka ho why study pa yes the sika pa the unya bini it's all about family to promote the pictures and the videos there on social media handles they just sika the video yes that lie unya bi any but Bukumbanku is in love part 1 and 2 for your information mo amunim no Bukumbanku wa tuma mienu na senye we say yi na kuma so obedo anya asem keto na mana onu wo mu be to kesa afi 2021 ye di kan aye patapa for my girlfriend Queen Peace mo kan Bukumbanku say na fresh gig eno no we had to nje ya hey say ni na second fresh gig aye ku apimpo. So is this for a hype or a real scene? Bukumbanku is a wasra yes you. Why is it? Brunito. So alright, so I can say you over here. We come was every but wow mo amoye SM fans no aha pa shadow wall o ya se bia wetu jada se oni ayi ko de better boy ara nyo mo ntokwa de na me wurewurem chata wall se me nkama obi bia wo tie me na wo hwe me sesi an ntia se Ghana ye music industry no still na it is struggling ebre dipa kakra bi ena etumi a excel the industry. A lot of people are really crawling on the ground. Or more bread, the industry still struggles. Charles ni Ama Mensah Jr. Papa we dey ma ga say I say comedy dey yes I can't hold because he's not only a musician but sometimes say they see the body there that's comedy can cry. I see him to be a musician plus a comedian and I say ma they have to I don't know but very last video where they asked from Papa in fact I am a wholesome moi meba beka asemi ebe ha mo kakra mo fan cheme na sebin prebiasa enye wo bi wo a wo se ye de hwe ni ye de ye futu ma ye ho na aboa ma ye dada asetra na yesu ye tumi ogu kwa befo so to ya na mabusafo nipa ya me beka na asem oyo oba na mote amabroni bi asem week we mo am say the beginning of this week aba be see the Friday matete bia ni nya ne se ba wa bia o ma tag ni so is liquid minim say ye ka liquid na obi a otie me bia na o hem bia nim ye fe is liquid omo live sa lavish life ni luxurious life ni ade anytime bia she wants to look good after per member me akesefo ba gisika anytime bia dey from ni trini Brazilian hair ni Peruvian ni ade omo nsa nails no kwa ye kasa na esi hihye no ne abo na wo ye mbehwo na ababa ho we na me bacho mfa ni mfoni ni nto hosoma na nkofo gunu de make na sempote aha ababa ho we na make na sem very very beautiful lady na we babu sam said dey na ababa ya tia me ka na sem se bacho wo lady na oda so fefe no wo on theater so what as you bio na de ekoye kasuwa mpotemu wo ewo yesi kasuwa kom se wo central region bi se wa Accra ba kasuwa ye wo bia fe ne Liberia camp mo amuni kasuwa ye no aha Liberia camp bi ewo na eho na emrantie bi ekeka omu bo mo ya ntofo eye so mo be ye musical concert no mo to ni say street carnival obi a ko street carnival e ka ne tete bantum a wo say street ni a block no ni asisim pie kese na musicians and ntofo ni ade be ja so ma to ni ma jinkofo ni a sabi pepepe and amrantie ni yo waje so mbe and of course na ye January ye mu na street carnival na omo ye so mbe sa ntofo de door so kama ebirum ye upcoming artists am so omo kra na dominate kese na abrantie ba ku biam se ni din ni de mpotem ho no waje din pa me kra me ntimi nhye da ntimi de se no original shana aha sa abrantie yi ana am se owo fans pa awo carnival so hia ha branch na me body no ni ode ne samienu aha no tofo na omo flexibility de picture bia oja wo original shana no oni ana ode betu jo before the concert ne say open man betima twerk hard na best twerker no obema ne $100 abusuafo tie me $100 only back Ghana is 5.5 because I'm say dollar equivalent no $1 to Ghana cedi na I'm say 5.5 na say okay ka 5.5 million enye sika bia he bia na no ana baba we e friend amabroli I'm say odokra no admire original or admire original shana kaka ano yes say papa shana de asem we to jare ano no baba modern no atweke hard na sika na nsaka. Now before the show no, amabro ni kura sa ba ye promo at the ma show no kura se bi okeka ni nya sanketwa promo to show the street carnival and the seven prebiasa the mu ba betie no maso no ahwema ni so no sebi ensem ni wo mu amfa nchen but you see who the exact words ababa ane kan in fact okojina simpie no so kojina so ye say onu ko adu ne to ekeso ababa we na adu awro ne ton sebi panifo banimu run it two nyina sebe na japade egusu na what work hard gig ana amrantie so ne ade we mu kai Maysville awo ka university koye bia ba amrantie de nsa wo no a sa pepe ne sie amrantie wo de nsa wo bia ma je na bufu oba mu protect ababa wa no ana je le kwa chiro mo nso wo se de ko do hospital wom ababa ha je ne so wan sorry bi okay asabna yekese eva ta yara hosam udu wadi hubi tie sama baba wa de kan ye wo ye ni stage akope mra ye de stretcher fa no to ho hospital ayara osam slay quiz ne samu hebia mo fa nyoma bi nya futuo 5.5 a new 1,000 Ghana a new 6 million baba wa fa mo fa the twins onima o he ne makura no awose befem wa wo miensan a ntafo wo bi hwe nkura nkitwa we mu pa anti hwan na kwa kwhwe nkura hwan na kwhwe nkura we wa hwe omo wo fe na baba wo etime di nkura sempa asem nkwasi asem sei agire ni so wa gire ni so hwe ni picture no kwa ase no okowu ayara hosam the right tenant yes, but of course last week we official GFK and then so went to Myanmar because I a little bit under the weather. But next week official GFK will be coming so now ne Papa J the ofia abere be shem ko channels next week we will be can na chumedi na echi Papa J mo kwaba we have a code as a ora hobi
no as a chale never go on say who na amara but all the same no you ever find it's part of the game.
Oh, somebody is there, then you are saying it's part of the game. Which one is part of the game?
No, but so we share Amabronia case here. Do you time say me no?
Yeah.
What we na wire star.
And they true.
What we know. And our be star. So what I say?
Hey, for a lady to go naked on stage and twerk,
we show music videos a man at twerking. It be half naked. But this lady is
total naked.
You can be a naked and so and it's not from the upper body. Oh, your upper body.
A free no.
So be one private part. You are total naked. Not such a lady. I want twins.
Hey, could I know for
5.5 million. 5.5. Sikasa when the mouth
$100.
Offer dropping cry in and out to cry.
Say
it's a shame. It's a shame. And now who said now God has instant justice.
Oh, now
Nyakupo instant. I'm not for nyame fa bo onto say oto in temper because again where you deal with and as once or sign bad fear coming what will happen.
Ada nyame na tuaneka.
Nyame na tuaneka. I'm telling this is instant justice. Nyakupo ne twa because what he did no, what she did no, say Kofi ho ba fear. Minim ne kebesi. I'm telling you. So if you want no say Kofi a, kabeka say nyame ni.
Say be maybe mu obaje pade kwa.
Me say so say ka get when we are dealing no Kofi a, kabeka say Nyakupo ni ho. Hey! And nyame tuanika ho no, I'm very very happy.
Oh but sir don't you mean ka say obi wu nyame tuanika sa and then
we nyame aketwa nyame ne tuanika so say nyame boba abo japade kai the Garden of Eden time Eve edi aduaba no dey okata ne ho but when you adaje e memma de go nim et me bo naked asai sebe akuntu no ho etweke amanfo show private part anyankopon de ahye corner no kwase one bie una obi nhunu no one bie 5.5 nyankopon na kunu enye obia nyame na kunu wo kunu straight ono na ball no ene wo kunu ho no ma se swanzi se nka girl we wi ade we ene nkosan ba fia kaminim stories e be free chiraba
but I say wo no nshere nkofo nshe da nka no kora nche ebi no say e omode omonsa wo no na ofili conscious
me I heard someone say owie no boys be tugu no so am I say mass rape so ebi nso say owie no o safe platform no so no ene pa no ni ti ko ball stage ni so baby the true story na gasa nya den MI ebi nso so what toy ena onya electrical shock something like that akoye diverse interpretation baba swanzi very sad very sad senka nema say koso a kasa nema onyanka to betwa because we have seen certain ladies ebi go naked video shoot ebi go naked on TV ebi roll on music videos ebi share post on man cause sex videos ever outside
okay Crystal Beke
yes on pose here photo shoot post ba outside wow so I'm a brand in the Swansea I see say instant justice from God. Yeah, and any pana.
Just got the other videos, no. Say, Kwakasi, Eblemu government. Say, Oman Panikas or more free abon and never na de coronavirus, no. Maybe I do not have more on any yard because Oman Penny $150 on arrival. A test in the test, a away positive or negative. So why then you blame mom from on a neighbor say, Omana at the corona?
Because we do a test. Yeah, test nasa we are positive there. I think you quarantine or we are negative on
obviously.
Until omo buy no or I don't know what you are some of the things we are out.
I don't come person be come was because say
because I ask okay so
I ask so what I person na asebi a said about you quite Frank Naro movie industry no dey wo mu a na ja wo omuna ukwa na kotia na obeta na obebo magia Fagnaro de wombi se be yesese bomuchike free so ase be kasa denche bewa ya nyina chini o se ya tu na du anu ka ho bi ntina wan twese dibi saade na ye no kreza
no krepa true in the movie industry true because Swansea unse adwuma no obi ukoswa na ye obi ya in the movie industry so obi ukoswa na you be nje obehu a bebre agi protection o mo de ye adwuma no because we less mistake obi betew no arise so what I say enti actor bia and actress bia wagina ne nanso in the movie industry bia to now bia no wafa baby
okay sir
yes I'm telling you the truth
actors
or actresses bia wagina ne nanso to now bia no wafa baby anya sanki atenda da nana ma brown ke atenensa nana ma brown ko mo tenensa I'm telling you ko mo tenensa enye normal nana ma brown ke atenensa fi so ye yiwu saba ko fi so a na wa ba be movie ni ahwe kwaku chumasi so kwaku chumasi onya stroke you born it to one time all because of movie industry na Ejako at a point in time, or was set so Neni Fry was set. Miami artist Papa Kumasi. What Chinese series Chobos to Chobos. I da Doom TV a trendy or Ghana. The only series Emma what is going on in schools. Way back near my Koso schools no yedi series amount for shape. Obia tab seed no e dia ko baby dia ko form. Aka che gusu say o ma series ni TB. And Chobos now a struggle. All because of Niama we heavy. A drone womb, a cost will bring at a point in time. Your actors go Ghana have almost a ring as a promise ring. Me more be a day. But who knows a ring be as a promise ring. Who was not say, or probably the ascension or more a protection. Or could you be no dear say, and yes, you better not to actually.
So we are confidence of what you are saying.
I know what I'm saying. Opa make me body this year. Opa me come me body am. Will you know me? Opa me come me body me bo artist too achel. No mo tasha ring. Say watch your movies and now I say so say actors too big. No remember me no. Omo tasha ring wo omo sa. Omo your microphone.
I'm not catch us omo ko protection we.
Oh, so never be hold on. You need not to be told. Big camera kai, you need not to be told.
What I do I can I say I do who hear evidence won't say this. What I will tell you where I said.
To who say later go for can one seven no we ring no.
Who say he who alleges must prove it.
So as me say a real. A protection ring no mo ko ji na show no mo dey adwuma no. What I say I dey be e music industry mu e wo cinema. So who rise na o ba o mo be to o mo dey envy you. Obadabe it one for baby is either ope sophobia or onim nyame asemi ye no more kwanchira o de benya protection from God and that's what we call the other side no people be there about ho by Swansea they be too atwene one time Suzy Williams where is she Kwame Wusu say rising to a certain level
no too much
or penetrating to Nigeria
too much
oh eh that's not to atwene
terrible nchaka
do you think okase na normal game we enye normal enye normal ye beti e kasa ne fresh boy me kasa na man for kasa guy we e bana show be say ni say mama me ne anya din ya
obi beti ma to papa
power to atwene because a competition Shatawole Sako de Stone Boy when you're on Monte Hoka, or Mafa baby. I'm telling you. Oh, Swansea, make customer.
You sound very confident.
Yes, Shatawale, Stonebwoy, Sarkodie, those guys are the beer. Omo for baby. Now look at Omo to Wakwa. And yes, I can call for being your movie. I'm telling you. Now, so I'm better Sophia Case, your artist be on Shatawale, I should have called baby.
Now, I'm a brony crack is quite who prophecies be about what they say. Sir, excuse me, original Shana, no, I didn't know about Jimmy Dean to attend the Quakwa. What I and I'm conforming to the prophecy be family. Oh, yes, I never make but there are some prophecies about one thing.
It can happen. Obi when him go say betimi ahete. And right now the guy is going out run for him.
Oh yes, it's original Shana. Me name that.
Me want and you go can maintain that. But because of
look
at all this. But because of Amaboni issue, you know, right now he's trending. Stories about no Kasama on your headlines.
Yeah.
What hit it?
But could be quite the service no can
what I say. It is Swansea. It is in the game. Voodoo is in the game. Yes. It will give them a nasa one mouth or 9 team for man. You will try to one time. What I say? You will be a course set so. Near car action. No, so Casano to be Casa. Meaning active, what just in each will be our gun. Or course set so you can action or so transfer 2 minutes.
As I know,
Casa. Opa, then, oh, be a Casano own feed that until such time not soon. And Sana Wakasa, and so when to me, I started a business. What movie will be as when to me, I started a business. So it's in the game. I can never somehow can maybe because.
Okay. Yamra Shatawale was say the industry still struggles. I say struggling our industry. They are still struggling. People few be and as to me I excel but music industry now because that's a problem. They are still struggling to make it up to that pedestal that go for me say Ghana your music industry.
But you should know this. You should know because the Bankato say if you compare our current style of music to the previous ones now, you can see it's previously now better than this. Previously social media any juma.
Yeah.
Now any other platforms among for the promoter or songs no. Now you hit songs from all corners. What I say, and actually there are so many artists in the system, but how many of them are surviving? We be timiaba, we be sorry about 1 year be no free system no. The BI is about Stonebwoy, Shatawale, Sarkodie, na other ones Kwame Eugene, Kim Promise Kid, the Musu and Namase hobby. The family Namaseho, they are not excelling as the Nigerians. Because Nigeria, there are so many artists in Nigeria are more penetrating to the world market. But our music here in Ghana is still struggling. As much as Shatawale can, true. Strikes many musicians in Ghana and Ebeki. How many of them in a team organizing shows for outside? But look at the Nigerians. The videos, the Westkids, Shady Omoye, the Yemi Alade, she collaborations Omonya from outside.
Yeah.
Nation Ghanaian artists, Obinya collaboration by copy featuring by copy, they did all the way, or the way they did for the entire career. And quite because Niama airway industry, I was say a PM and by competition any game. No. Competition be any.
Yes, so Benna Boy, also near the other artists, near the impact we are making. But who's who say, Sasha Tawale in the collaboration with Hannah.
Yeah,
and lefty Benna Boy,
and lefty Benna Boy, and lefty Shatawale super. Because fans are Benna Boy, and one Shatawale in that fans maybe. Baby a Benna Boy, Edwin Shatawale Andrew Ho. Nominations are when ya in the world music, you know, Shatawale Enyabi. What's in the mention? Shatawale is in the biggest featuring and the biggest collabo, Beyonce.
Now, why
Benna Boy also has a song with Beyonce.
Yeah.
But on fine
the same album.
The same album. But what
I say, you say shut down promoting is
that means no promoting on any brand.
Now Beyonce no crowd feel say Shatawale the no crowd so I pushy and you not pushing pa harder.
Pushy it goes in the way of Beyonce. What I say on credit in the command.
Yeah.
And Shatawale. So Benna Boy has a song with Beyonce. When we say the song belongs to Beyonce, it will not focus on no career.
Okay.
What's in the mission? Because yeah, God and everybody you movie than you want. You say your father said World Cup.
Yeah.
A shame. And you are not the only one on that album. Yemi Alade was on it. Mr. Easy was there. Wizkid was there. But they are focusing on their career.
Yeah.
So what I say, your music, you know, and new baby, we still have a long way to go.
Okay.
we still have a long way to go until the Shatawale Kano.
Okay.
100%.
Yeah, issue I discussed it. There was your phone. We are so join here. Yeah, but we now Baba, you still have to get interacted with us on Facebook. Now, you into which you can which will comment not one year can kind of amount patch or Kumas online TV on Facebook. One like I know I share. I'm a full to me actually. WhatsApp number so in the book as of one is 0547-830031. You still logged on here on Kumas online TV showbiz arena. I don't say some Muguswa and the Yetis and say maybe I will be out. But yeah, share Kumerica movement, no. Covered by, but now only a coffee. And I'm wish I see a canine, Kumerica, Biba, Kumerica, the Kumerica bar. A dream maybe never was a mocha once. I think Kophobia Soma, or more the Adaninium to us, a cowboys the other day. But from the onset, no, now as a business partner, Eka Kumerica, no, then Kofo making money out of Kumerica brand and Ankasa. But I say a wood in air Kofom. And then Komaye say Kumerica is it still relevant now?
Well, so as officially my main and share viewers are more share. I think this is the main topic for discussion, you know, or say Enyabucheni. So as the last time, the first time I bought any doing common, now she Kumerica t-shirt. Yeah. I'm eating come be I'm so a good year aba I was say asantaman esumuye na ye foundation e ma no say the bank every year be we will see something about Kumerica ebe twe nipa from other areas and also from other parts of the world e dey aba Ashanti region na I vibrant. Okay, Kumerica no enya dey e foforo, but the term Kumerica na be to so no and you say e foforo. Yeah, kasa akata dressing akata pa dia you can Ashanti region free by you can buy other parts of Ghana esuya ye na e bo akata you can dressing wearing expensive clothes na nke fi Kumasi wearing boots jeans tops those days no obi she fat farm obi she fubu filler top Everest obi she Thames bat what I say near should designer wear ne ye Kumasi Dolce and Gabbana kwa say ni mwananse nkrampo na ye ka old akatapa ne ye Kumasi what I say not those days so kwa akra na ka say ofi Kumasi a they love to say they omba associate omo to you Tommy Hilfiger what I say no money just say ofi Kumasi o ka say ofi Kumasi ja Kumasi de ja ye be ba ho no ti o ka say obo di ofi Kumasi a omo so yo bia woni aye dey woni ate entina Kumasi ni ko be bia ma fo say eh Kumasi ni de Jack, on the we say because Kumasi ni adwene sharp. Those days na Kumerica no e wo hono. But not the term Kumerica na any so. Here ka say akata. Yeah. And na yebo. So what I say, if you want ever ma your music in Kumasi so na jana na so the last of Kenya Achiame ancestors Bubodi bebe na Kumasi kuta game no. Edu bebe be free and sakoe. Ekodi baby Temafo bemu afede akọ center in Accra na so wo Kumasi no ankọ Accra wuntimi nya den make hit ene ya bom paya na nkwara bi kakakakra ebe no so Kumerica Kumerica no e wo two faces you with the music side
and with the business side
and the lifestyle then once ukwade ba kwa camera 3 the music side the business side and the lifestyle. Okay. The lifestyle, no, the style of dressing, no, with the bandanas, with the durag and the chains, and then the music side, as I say, Abba, and then the business side, the buy amount for a year Panafinaria, or more designing the Kumerica way, a buyer. So what as a buyer, you bring Kumerican dollar, Kumerican passport, you bring Menshia being the presidency. And a year like a year Nija amount for most of them way the but they say, Yanshe, Sanya Manu hyper bar for Kumerica. Sorry, you'll be young, will be yes, the 3 inside 9 year. They are due to say, go for the enthusiasm and go for young. And I say, any of you at a point in time, Crano, Yababe Kumerica language. Papa Kumasi and head originator. I was starting way back. And then Sakasano can, Obi himself, who you Kumasi in our Kasakasano. What I say, you be now when na anke ya dia you bet me branding no in a way na Kumasi any identity yen ka say any identity because we have the Ashanti Empire and when the identity so this is our youthful way yes we play a part in it ama Kumasi say another identity in the form of we Kumasi behaving like Americans. And yet bad. Among for the kind, occultism. If you see slavery.
And go for the one to most especially I saw for no crowd. I'm saying when you're yes, beast to be in a free swim, and name by ranch and about the carbon. A bedroom maybe not I done violent a group. Nothing yes, or yet young for Bebre. I'm off in semi won some could do or take a course or now so man share. Let's go for a chassis up in black.
But that is not the idea. Any idea, no. What I said, that some of us say, be a what dress a kata, no change will come and they see you say, we a bad person. No, it's never like that. A way of life, a style of living. What I say, and don't to mean diverted the idea of the Ashanti tradition and Koko Dibe.
I don't know more can some most Ashanti Bobredi in the suit because yet Ashanti Mahmudada, most of the Bantama, they are to Florida, more they away up to Ohio, where the yes, Ohio now, can you new Ashanti Mantama? And you will be crew now, test what the other day you ever to Ashanti Mantama.
Oko Abidjan, you will be a folk Kumasi. Ewa Abidjan. Uko America, you was Santa for him America.
No question.
Go to Germany. You was Santa for him or Germany. I didn't America from Casana Mote, you could not to Santa Bobisia Santa for him. Yet,
a year book South Africa.
You go to South Africa.
South Africa, you group.
Florida Bantama has been there since. You were Bremen, New York. What I said, Mojizongo, you're from Russia.
Yeah.
What I said, it is something now. Dear portray, baby. It's not about violence. But it's something that the initiative baby. I'm every year piano near my for them. It's me about and this thing is I shifted. I could do the music side.
Yeah.
What I say? I could do the music side. And music side no so crowd. A struggle. Artists is saying anything you multi other sector.
Yeah, talk.
Yeah, talk.
YP a unity. YP. Now Mudada, but Kumerican at Mapajan, Kofi Jamano, Dada, but I say Kumerican as Apajan view, Ubit is a friend pong. No, Hoda, but Kumerican as I'm on the face left. What you say? Flick. Aha, Kimpaluta say crown. Was see Munyan, but that's a Kumerican as I'm on his face left.
So
I'm not doing that.
Yes, and you know, Senka, you're taking this opportunity. A branding here, man, the music side, no, strong.
At a point, yes, I called the Quaker Wasam. I know Lidima Shatawali, almighty Shatawali.
Yes, about Kumasi in home rem. Epic, this young ones and on air song. Even Stormzy, the British rapper, was here because of your talk.
Okay,
he came here with Kwesi Arthur because of your talk. I'm sorry, remix. Stormzy, UK based rapper. Because of American to or buy, but sabotage me some people see say Kumasi is now becoming the face of music now. Talking about the drill music.
Akrelika. Temarika.
If you can't beat us, join us. No munya in can follow those in a car and sabotage
the license are called Yamutra money at the idea of Kumasi crowd and
yes, game na hana newo and I'm bajiko and this time these young ones accepted this agenda a creative bibi ama adena abakumase you should join us Shatawale chance who would no I don't know ebe do Kumase let me come and join them oba massive supporter ya dem no yes supporting them massively ama the video release video na dru hwe song na dru what I say so if you can't beat us you join us the team up na enye kama but amafo na machi and adene kwa no enko enu bebia enche basa na we artist now bande won as a American artist who do baby they won't pay attention to you. I'm telling you a time will come they won't pay attention to you. The likes of Flocky Stone yeah the almost I was back near their fan check I was back no more kasa and if you come say na say uko bebia you show any this is what they are trying to do. But so they can say it shouldn't be only the music side.
Okay.
Every point when it's a music in far we can have other avenues you bet my channel or the far.
Okay.
Now we bring to Ashanti region. You will kente wa ha. You will Tory side baby wa ha. You will never be able to
near culture center bejo. Jabri mo ani
I bet you the American ide. I touch it. I bet me I'll call the views of even the Americans to come down. Most Ohio. Yeah, to Ohio, America. Ohio, Ghana. Yamra. Every year, no, the year of return, no, can still go so then. Akoso.
Kebia Bantama, Ebia MP, walk up to me, Florida. mayor
aye
collaboration say yeah they have to muntimumra mu fem fom ani me hwe na nyoma
this is what we are talking about. I said we a very powerful idea. What I say Bremen New York nanka mo bibi MP or MC or bibi nanka mo they link to New York in America. Oh say they can help that. Yes. But in America they are eba na ehun ye ka che o say
nanimu gu aseba
eni hwehwani mu na guys bi di animu na omo ye America na omo dey see no only the music side no and hamen
babu say we dey faye America of future.
America having a future depends on you and I. We the people in Ashanti. Say benye future me no ne benye future because some people are claiming say ye ne dey buy.
Yeah.
It's who can say
and
even the Asaka boys no kwana Asaka boys there's division among them.
Oh sir.
Yes, they see say your talk no SPA head right now you can say ugugu America your talk about down because only face na head.
Yeah.
About the identity of America so far as the music side is concerned.
Yeah.
It's a division about the Asaka boys. Right now that boy is doing his own thing.
Yeah.
But in him so we a group.
I know me a group.
Yeah. Omo your group. A city boy ni J Bad ni.
Now yeah, best sorry. No boys.
But right now there's division among the boys. Mo kasa kwa mo dey ade ne ba no. There's no unity. Ebe na tinye your future.
But ya talk so say no kwa na rap yo equally omo rapping na say equally good.
Let me tell you something. I didn't want ma eba they because some things are for some people only. I didn't want ma eba for one particular person. So what I say?
Yeah.
Right now on the music side, you know, yeah, Campadia, that boy out top. Or no be who say yeah, cause America drill music. That boy is standing tall. He's playing all the shows. As a cowboy said they are there, but we show movie video now. The only person you see is White Talk.
Yeah.
Omuko shows cry now. People are rapping his verse more than the others.
Of course.
So what I said, Stormzy came not because of anybody, but yeah, talk. And then later, all meeting the other the Asaka boys.
Yeah.
They should come together. We are there to support. But we were the man.
Yeah.
We were the money at town. Any idea by and you know buy Munya, any idea, and the America invasion. He say,
let us say the thing at the fresh boy Papa J. And I want official. Next week you join us near the discussion part. And Papa J. Well, last was then for you.
What's on my mention? Official JFK.
Yeah.
Next week over.
I did to yeah, 1 week.
Like I say, you know, so be doing. And yeah, next week, obeba, baby will be also make sure. No, make sure. Me guy back free France about. Nana sama artists. Me sure no pa. No so show no pa. Ufolo see. I mean, ko Ghana ha. Ufolo show no pa. Me sure no boy.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much, wherever you are. Those of you in the Western world, we thank you so much for joining us. This is still Showbiz Arena right here on Kumasi Online TV. When you are at home, like I will be so I just want to say glory, glory, glory to the Most High God for how far He has brought us. Any more on a new crowd doing now. So, Mammy and the Padogas, fear. The Macne, Muamaka, Sister Dorothy, Belgium, no more, a word crowd doing now. So, Mr. Graham, Yame, Inshamopa, some day, my whole thing, where you had show a chair from last year, this is Emery. Paminfa and Chasunko, and from Miankasami Papa, spiritual father, a prophet or patafo, Papa, be a Obiano, Yamisha, don't tell them which you say, send you see Hawaii, Kakranka, and I am here to see you with some purpose. Yamia, 2 more. Next week, you're going to find us here on the same channel, Kumasi Online TV, near the Showbiz Arena at the Abros Chief Executive Producer and the person of Daniel Yabua, aka Danny Boy. See you. I mean, shout out for boys. Motaj Medi in a chair, free year, we are fair, sister, no more working now. And I'm winning our sister, what they do, you know, I should also come up with some purpose. Next week, we'll be here with a different episode, and you will love it so much. My name is Swansea. You can call me Komiboko. I am out just like that.